Hi there, in this video I'll show you how to check your TP-Link Tapo C210 for the firmware updates. Let's get started. For this we're gonna launch Tapo application and then on the main screen select Manage section. After this, open Settings by tapping its icon and scroll till the end to see Firmware Update section. And here we can see the option to auto-update. So you can either enable it or disable, and when it's enabled you can set the update time. For example, 6 p.m. till 8 a.m. And don't forget to save the changes by tapping the Save button. And now let's check it for update by tapping this blue button. As you can see, in my case there is no updates, but if in your case there is, then I suggest you to update the device because usually updates contains new features or just fixing old issues. And that's it! I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.